Welcome to our channel. We're going to discuss 5 things to do before becoming a data analyst. Thinking about becoming a data analyst? Hold up, before you dive into SQL, Python, or Excel, there are 5 essential things you need to do first. These steps will save you time, stress, and confusion, and help you become job-ready faster. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Number 1. Understand what a data analyst really does. Before anything else, make sure you understand the real day-to-day of a data analyst. It's not just coding and charts. Analysts solve business problems, clean messy data, create dashboards, and tell stories with data.
Number 2. Choose your learning path. There are 3 main ways to learn data analytics. 1. Self-taught via YouTube and free resources. 2. Online certifications like Google Data Analytics. 3. Boot camps or college programs. You don't need a degree, but you do need a plan. Choose one and stick with it.
Number 3. Set up your core tools. Before diving into projects, get familiar with the tools of the trade. Excel or Google Sheets. SQL, using PostgreSQL or MySQL. Python or R, start with Python. It's more common. Visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI.
Number 4. Build a practice routine. Consistency beats intensity. Instead of studying 6 hours one day and skipping the rest of the week, commit to 1 hour daily. Use real datasets. Practice cleaning, exploring, and visualizing.
Number 5. Plan your first portfolio project. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start your first data project early. Pick a topic you love: sports, sales, social media, whatever. Document the process. What question you asked, how you cleaned the data, what insights you found.
Let's recap the 5 things to do before becoming a data analyst. 1. Understand the role. 2. Choose your learning path. 3. Set up your tools. 4. Build a routine. 5. Start a project early. If you do these 5 things first, you'll save months of wasted time and confusion. Which one are you starting with? Drop a comment below. Like this video? Hit subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly data tips, tutorials, and job advice. See you in the next one.